Today, we're uncovering some hidden features of the iPhone 15 that you might not know about. These tips will help you get the most out of your device, so let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the back tap feature. Did you know you can perform actions just by tapping the back of your iPhone? To set this up, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, Back Tap. Here, you can assign actions like taking a screenshot or opening a specific app to double tap or triple tap on the back of your phone. Next, we have Live Text. With Live Text, you can interact with text in photos. Simply open a photo with text, and you'll see a small icon appear in the bottom right corner. Tap it to copy, look up, or translate the text. It's incredibly handy for quickly grabbing information from images. Here's another cool feature. Focus modes. Focus modes allow you to customize your notifications and home screen layouts based on your activity. For example, you can have a work focus that only allows work-related notifications and shows specific apps. Go to Settings, Focus, and create a new focus mode that suits your needs. Have you ever tried using Hide My Email? It's a feature that helps you sign up for newsletters or accounts without revealing your actual email address. When you're asked to enter your email, choose Hide My Email, and Apple will create a unique random email address that forwards to your real inbox. You can manage these addresses in Settings, Apple ID, iCloud, Hide My Email. Here's a quick one. Customizing widgets. With iOS 17, you can now create custom widgets for your home screen. Just press and hold on a widget, then tap Edit Widget to change its settings or appearance. You can even stack widgets to save space. And finally, did you know you can scan QR codes with the Camera app? Just open your Camera app, point it at a QR code, and a notification will pop up allowing you to quickly access the content. No need for a separate QR code reader. These hidden features are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what your iPhone 15 can do. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.